Hi everyone. Fun thing, 24 hours, the length of a day on Earth, less or 8 hours sleep, equal 16 hours left, 16 like the 16 personality, 8 like the 8 cognitive function. We need around 8 hours sleep, and we wake up for a short time in middle, but we often don't remember it. Globally, we sleep 2 times 4 hours. Of course, we are all different and we need more or less sleeping time. It's more or less flexible. In my dream, I can have the impression several hours or days have passed, whereas in reality, it can be 5 minutes or less. 5 minutes in reality equal 5 minutes in dream. The impression that the time spent is longer is just a perception, which is biased by our brain and our mind, that our brain is lying to us. Like the 16 personality type, we have 16 different perceptions of the world and situation, like different filters. I think because our mind is flexible, the space, the structure, and the time are also flexible. Both space and time can be stretched, length, short, moved more or less randomly. Also, everything mechanical malfunctions, like the watch, the smartphone, computer, light switch, the door lock, the door closed very badly. I think I just experienced several short moments, events, brief situations, each one located in a different space and time, which may or may not be connected to each other by a common abstract idea. As if an experience, one event, is in one space and one time, in a universe, a bubble or a cube, one dream, like a parallel universe. And I teleport from one dream to another. The idea of teleportation, of passing, of transfer is always the same idea. This idea of fold, two sides of the same idea, of the same thing. I realize it can take many forms, appears under different representations. The idea of death, birth, rebirth, the coma, the sleep, the bed. The idea of passing, take a tunnel, take an underground, a corridor, a road, a way, an elevator, stairs, escalators, a labyrinth, maze. A door, a succession of several doors, a window, a screen, TV screen or computer screen, a mirror, a toboggan, falling, a hall. Transport, take the bus, the train, the subway, the tramway, the car, the boat, motorbike, bike, plane, flying, maybe also. Zoom, in dream, we can focus too much on the detail, we zoom in and we land in another dream or wake up. All these images represent the same idea of fold, of passage, of one in between the two sides. And these two sides can be the reality to dream, dream to reality, from a dream to another dream, from fear to aspiration, or aspiration to fear. Fear and aspiration are two sides of the same idea. In our personality type, our function 3 and 4, the third and the inferior, we don't prefer use them. These functions are aspirational and also our fear. In the reality, most of the time, we are our default functioning, our personality type, our ego, our conscious side of the mind. Our two first functions, and in a dream, it seems we are our subconscious side, our function 4 and 3. It makes sense because we dream about our fear and aspiration. For example, often when I know I am in a dream, do a lucid dream, and that I want to wake up, to get out of a dream, I try to die, to jump from very high or drown. Depending of our perceiving function, the dreams are not built on the same way, they have not the same organization, they don't respect the same model or pattern. For the personality type who have SE and I in their four function stack, the meaning of the dream is situational. In the whole situation, SE inside and I. The things they dream about exist in reality. They are the same than in reality, but they can have different dimensions, be larger or smaller, multiplied, and in different places. The landscape, place, object can be bigger, larger or smaller than in reality. The personality type who have any SI, the meaning of the dream is in one object, the thing itself, any inside SI, and they dream about things which doesn't exist in the reality. Surely an object, animal or person can have different color or texture, I don't really know. I don't have more precision because I have SE and I in my four function stack and not any SI. An example of SE and I dream for me as INTJ, the ground outside is missing. It is replaced by the sky, escalator or stairs, double or triple side by side, and they are 5 or 10 times longer compared to reality, and with missing step, fish swimming in the air, a mattress or bed on the water or in the water. The store and shopping center have doubled their surface area, and I can be ESFP, SEFI, enjoying the moment, buying new things, singing, dancing, or rollerblading. An example of any SI dream, an INFP, she dreamed that she was bringing a spineless hedgehog to someone, and she also told me that an issue in her home was finally solved. For me, it was easy to understand. The meaning is on the hedgehog. I was sticking to the French expression, remove a thorn from the foot. I deduce it means a relief. And I also know the other person in our dream can be the reflection of ourselves. The other person can be ourselves, but not always, I think. She was bringing a spineless hedgehog to herself, the feeling of relief to herself surely. So let me know what do you think, and if I am wrong, or if you have another example or something to add. Thanks for watching. Have a good day or evening.